And the last one, it's your attorney's information.
Okay.
You can just call them and let them know, hey, I understand that my. Yeah.
So this is a second court that I have on 2/3/22. Okay.
Because they're still working on your file.
Okay.
Okay.
So right now, what is the judge gonna tell me?
Nothing. You can go. You're free to go.
So I could leave already?
Yeah. That's where you're working.
But didn't I think my attorney was gonna talk to the judge.
Let him come and talk right now. I cannot hear the judge.
Oh, you can see them at home too.
No sound right now.
It's an iPhone.
Cannot hear the judge yet.
Hello.
Everyone stay muted, please.
Test. Check, you hear us?
All right, is that better?
There we go.
I can hear you, Judge.
Now you can mute yours. I got it working on the boom mic, Judge.
All right, so I'm going to get out of here, right?
Yes, ma'am. You hear us later?
Oh, there's a feedback.
Yes, because your speakers are on the line.
It's probably on that YouTube.
All right, so let me go to YouTube and what do I do?
No, it's just your laptop speaker. The microphone. Just have to mute that little speaker here.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Okay, I'll be right there. And to hear yourself there, talk.
Do that one and turn off the other one?
No, that, the one on the right is for the overheads, the one on the green halo is for everyone else. Lady, hears?
No.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Let me see. Brian Oriel, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I can hear you.
Oh, okay, great. Oh, that's good news. All right. All right, and we'll go ahead and start with you. What is the name of your client and the cause number, please?
Yes, Your Honor, I have Raymond Torres and Ivan Luna Cervantes on the docket. Mr. Torres is going to be 660134. And Mr. Luna is 658021. And Your Honor, on Mr. Torres's case, we're awaiting the Coban video to be sent over from the state. It should be coming soon here. I'm going to send an email to the state, just check in with them on it. And then on Mr. Luna, we're just awaiting the blood discovery to be sent from DPS.
Okay. So
And they are both present this morning.
thank you very much. And at this point, do you just need a reset so that you can get that?
Just a
reset?
short, on both, Judge, we can keep them on the same day, just a short pretrial reset to make sure that we finish out getting all the discovery we need. And then once we do, I'll go from there as far as whether we're going to work it out or whether we need to get a trial setting.
Okay, we're going to reset that to January 13, 22.
And if I get those things beforehand, Judge, and we needed to set it for trial, then I'll let Aleda know before then.
Okay, that sounds like a plan. Thank you, Mr. Oriel.
All right, thank you,
So-
Judge. May we be excused.
Yes, sir. Have a good day. Thank you.
You as well, Judge.
Sue Noble,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
I have no file on this case by Miranda Lynn Thomas. I just found out that her cause number is 671768 out in County Court 9. And I have no documents regarding this case. I've looked all through my house to see if I can find anything. I could not find anything. And I had no documents, and they sent me 3 pages that were in Spanish, and I don't speak Spanish. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And I have never had any contact with Thomas.
Okay.
This is
so we
all
will-
I know about her. I don't have any appointed order. I don't know where this came from. I don't have any
Not a
idea.
problem. Not a problem, Ms. Noble. We'll just reset that to January 26th. See if they have a file by then, okay?
Okay,
And if you think that you're gonna have a communication problem, just talk to Alita and maybe she can give you another case and appoint someone else to that.
okay. I can't really hear what you're saying much, but
Okay.
I can call and talk to Alita if I
Yes.
have to.
Yes, thank you.
Judge, can I
All right.
inform the court about this case a little bit?
Yes, Mr. Bosis?
So there is a file on this case. This is Miranda Thomas. It was filed on September 17th of this year.
Okay.
I don't know, Miss Noble mentioned the cause number for the case underneath hers on the docket. I don't know if maybe that's why she was having a hard time finding stuff, but the correct cause number for Miranda Thomas is 671543.
531,
671543.
okay.
And I mean, I can double check, but the discovery should be available through the e-discovery as it is with all of our cases. And then if she can't access the e-discovery, she can contact us about getting to look at the physical file that we have in our office. So.
Okay. Okay, did you get that, Ms. Noble?
I beg your pardon?
Did you hear what Mr. Bosis was saying?
We can also confer.
Would you
Today.
like to confer with Mr. Bosis, Ms. Noble, since you are here? And apparently there is a file already created.
Judge,
I'll call Alita and get the she can tell me what's going on.
Okay,
Well,
that's
Judge,
fine. Thank you very much. So
Judge, I
you're
can offer
excused,
some
Ms. Noble.
insight since defense is a little confused.
Have a good day. Thank you. Yes, sir, Mr.
Hi,
Combs.
Judge. Sorry for my tardiness. I've been down to Central Jury Room. I've got an Ignacio Rosas, top of page 6.
Okay,
And he's the first one on page 6.
okay,
He has a felony pending as well as another misdemeanor case across the hall. We do not have a new date yet on the felony,
okay.
but I was going to ask for about a 60-day reset.
Yeah, let's reset that to January 26th,
126?
126.
Thank you, Your Honor. May he and I both be excused.
Yes, sir. Have a great day. Thank you. All right, Mary Petrosiak. Okay, Renee Munoz.
no, go ahead.
Judge, hello. Hi, I'm here on Jesse Acosta, page number 2, cause 623753.
Okay,
And he is present as well, Judge. He does have a felony trial setting tomorrow in the 175th. I did reach out to that felony attorney. They said they're negotiating still at this point, but hopefully they're working to a resolution here soon that would encompass this misdemeanor case.
all right. Can you make my volume louder? I can't hear that well. It's sort of muffled. Thank you. All right, so Mr. Munoz, then you want to confer or do you want to just a reset on this?
If we could do a felony pending reset, Judge, please.
Okay, that will be January 26th.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much. May I be excused for this morning?
Yes, sir, you take care. Thank you.
You too. Thank you, Judge.
All right, the next will be Thomas Beck.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
May I confer with an ADA, please?
Yes, sir. Will you give me the name of your client and the cause number?
Yes. Sakina Smith.
Sakina Smith and, okay. And you want to confer? All right. You'll be getting a breakout room momentarily, okay?
Thank you.
Is Miss Smith here?
I would be surprised if she's not, but then I'm surprised all the time.
Okay,
I'm in close is she, I don't know if she's here or not.
here.
all right, thank you very much. I'll mark you present. Okay. All right, next will be someone from the Ramos del Cueto firm.
Good morning, Judge. It's Taylor Wood.
All right, Ms. Wood, and who is your client?
Jesse Ramirez Garza.
You have a cause number on that?
Yes, it's 646-633.
Okay, and is he here?
He's here at our office, Judge.
Okay. All right, Ms. Wood, what would you like to do on this today?
We're still waiting on the dash cam in this case.
Okay, so you're still waiting for videos?
Yes.
All right, but so it won't do you any good to confer, right?
No.
Okay. I'll reset that to January 13.
Okay, thank you.
Have anything else in this court today?
That's it. That's the only case, Judge.
All right, so then you're excused, ma'am, and so is Mr. Ramirez.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next will be Kayla Puebla. I think that's what it says. All right, let me go on to the next one. Jeffrey Hall. Jeffrey Hall. All right, let me go on to the next one. Stacy Kraus.
Good morning, Judge. I have two cases.
Okay, the
I
first
have
one is that
Christopher
Mr.
Davis. I'm sorry, Noe Camarillo, sure. We can go there first. On that one, Judge, we have a resolution worked out. Noe just still has something to finish up. So I just need a reset on that one.
All right, we'll come back January 13 on that, okay?
Okay, is he excused, Judge?
And then who's the next one?
It is 658-982 Christopher Davis.
All right, is Mr. Davis present?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. And what do you need to do on that?
That one I need to confer with the district attorney on.
All right, you'll get a breakout room any moment now. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. And can both of my clients be excused?
Yes, Mr. Camarillo and Mr. Davis, you are both excused. You're welcome to log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? All right, so now I'm going to call on Oscar Hernandez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Page 1, number 7 and 9. I have
Okay.
Mr. Brian Welsh.
Okay,
Judge, this isn't it. We have an offer, but the client wants to provide a medical documentation, and he had to switch insurance the last time we were here. I still not received anything from the client. Just wonder if we get a reset for that, please.
all right, let's do that January 13, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Is that all you have today? Mr. Hernandez? Oh,
Sorry, Judge. Second client, page 2, number 8, and page 3, number 2, Mr. Landers.
Mr. Landers, okay, is he here?
Yes, they're both present, Your Honor.
Okay,
That one, we're going to be doing a plea, Judge. I think the paperwork has been circulated, but I'm still waiting for a missing witness, Judge. If I can get a reset, please.
okay, let's come back January 13 on that also.
Thank you very much. May we be excused, Judge,
Yes, sir, you have a great day. Thank you.
as well. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Jeb Block?
Hi, Judge. I have Andrew Michaels, 662-247. 662-247, appearing
Okay.
for Doug Daniel.
All right,
I'd like to confer with the prosecutor, please, Judge.
all right, and is Mr. Michaels here?
He is, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks. All right, mark you conferring. You'll get a breakout room any moment, okay?
Thank you.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
Thomas Beck.
Yes, sir.
I conferred with Brett. They're gonna withdraw the MTR and terminate her unsat. And so the case will be closed out.
Okay. And that's the only matter you have today, right?
Yes, and Judge, if you can let Ms. Smith know she can be excused, and I'll call her on the telephone.
Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Beck. You're excused. You're welcome to log off. You have a good day. Take care.
You too. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Go ahead and log off, Ms. Smith.
Amanda Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Mr. Eduardo Arroyo Sanchez. He's on page 6, and his case number is 666041.
Okay. And Mr. Arroyo Sanchez is here?
He is present, yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
We had requested that you sign the standing breath discovery order in this case, but my e-filing was never accepted. So I emailed it to the coordinator last night, and I believe she put it in Adobe Sign for you.
Okay. I will look for it and make myself a note here, okay?
Yes, ma'am. And if we could just get a reset so I can review that before I confirm.
Okay, so January 13th, please.
Perfect. Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Cecil Bain.
Present, Your Honor. I have David Watts. He has 3 cases, 668, 627.
Okay. All right, and is he here?
I've sent him the notice, but I haven't seen him on the screen.
No, I don't see his name. Will you give him a call so he can show up for a little bit?
I will do that, yes, Your Honor.
In the meantime, do you want to confer on this matter?
Actually, I have an offer from the prosecutor.
Okay.
Need to discuss that with my client.
Okay, we'll reset that for January 13th. Just have Mr. Watts come in so I can just mark him present, please, okay?
I understand, yes.
All right, thank you, Mr. Bain. You have a good day.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Kirby Walland.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning.
Morning.
And you are here on.
I'm here on Amelia Vasquez. I have not really had any contact with her. I sent a text message and left that phone messages, but I've not heard from her.
Okay.
And I told her if she couldn't do it in online, to be in here in person at 10 o'clock this morning in the courtroom.
No, there's nobody here. Okay, well, so you haven't had any actual contact with her, right?
Not really since like the last court hearing. I at some point made contact with her either on the phone or some manner, but since then, no.
All right, well, okay, I guess I'll just do a bond forfeiture on that, but it won't go out for 7 days. So if she gets in touch with you, we can always withdraw that, okay?
Okay.
All right, is that the only thing you had today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, well, thank you, Mr. Wallen. You have a great day.
All right, thank you.
All right, next would be Jay Norton.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I'm here on Mr. Glenn Pat Mahalik, cause number 647-379. He is present on the Zoom, and I would like to confer with Brett if possible. That's who we've been talking with.
Yes, sir. We are marking you conferring. You should be getting a breakout room any moment, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You want me to excuse Mr. Mahalik, or you want him to wait for you to come back?
He can be excused. We've talked this morning, and he's aware of what we're doing.
All right, Mr. Mahalik, you are welcome to log off at this time, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Next will be Michael Dominic.
Morning, Judge. I'm here for Daniel Jaramillo. He's here in the courtroom as well, on the virtual courtroom.
Okay, what cause number is that?
That should be, 1 second. Looking to see what page it's on as well. It goes page 2 or 3. Should be.
Thank you. 654, what?
423.
423, 654, 423. Okay, let me find that.
Middle of page 4.
Okay, all right, thank you. And you said Mr. Jaramillo is here?
Yes, he's here, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, do you want to confer on this?
Yes, we had a discussion with the state. I just need to review with them, so I'll get in line, I guess.
All right, okay.
Does my client need to stay for the conference, Your Honor?
No, sir, I can excuse him at this time so he can go on and take care of other things.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Daniel, you may log off. I'll call you after I'm done.
You can log off at this time, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And the next one I have is Sean Farmer.
Hello, good morning, Your Honor.
morning.
I'm here for Jessica Landez. It's under cause number 665982, and it's on page 6 of your docket. I just heard from one of her significant others that she was picked up for a felony, and I believe she just bonded out, so she's unable to be present today. And I would ask for a reset.
Yeah. Okay. So did you want to confer or you want to just reset this?
I would like to reset because I do know the complaining witness was, not cooperative. So most likely this charge might be dismissed. So I would request a reset.
All right, January 13.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I may be excused.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You have a good day.
Okay. You too. Thank you.
Ernest Acevedo.
Good morning, Judge. I am here on Antonio Lee Harmon, case number 643336.
Okay.
I wanted to confer on that, Judge. My practical problem is that I have to be live on a jury trial setting in County Court 11 in 15 minutes, and I don't know that I'll have time to get all that done.
Yeah.
Could I get a 30-day reset and confer through email when I'm done with my trial setting?
Yes. My 30-day reset is January 13. It's obviously a little more than 30 days.
That would be fine, Judge. I think conferring will help us resolve the case.
Okay, great. All right, and Mr. Harmon is here, right?
Yes, he said he's logged on. I don't see him. I haven't met him yet, actually. But I was on the phone and he said he was logged on.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Acevedo. Then you and Mr. Harmon are excused.
Thank you very much, Judge.
You and on the 13th. Thank you. Mr. Heyman, you're welcome to log off, sir. We've reset this to January 13, okay? Thank you, sir. Robbie
Thank you, Your
Ward?
Honor.
Thank you, sir. Robbie Ward?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Cesar Ortiz Andrade. It's 671925. This is a misdemeanor that arises out of a couple of felonies that haven't been indicted yet. So I just need it reset so I can work on the felonies.
All right. So Mr. Andrade is here?
Yes, he is.
All right. I'm still having 671 what?
925.
925. Okay. All right. And so he's got a felony pending. We'll give you a long reset for that. January 26th.
January 26th. Is that what you said, Judge?
Yes.
Let me
That is
just.
correct. Do you have any other matters on the docket today?
No, that's it.
Okay, well, thank you, Ms. Ward. You and Mr. Ortiz Andrade are excused. We'll see you on the 26th, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, let me see who's next. Matthew Finch?
Good morning, Judge. I have a Sierra Wilson on the docket. She's present as well, Judge. She might not have been on the docket. That might be the issue. 671868. All the correspondence in the courts, the county website show that her court date was today. If we're premature, we can always just reset it, but I'd like to confer on this case if I can.
Okay, yes, let me just write that in. 671, what was the number?
868, Judge. 671868. Sierra Wilson.
Wilson. Okay, great. I'm going to mark you conferring and you'll get a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge. May my client be excused while I wait to confer?
Absolutely. Ms. Wilson, you are free to log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Thanks, Judge. I'll wait patiently.
Thank you, Judge. Judge Saldaña, I'm back from conferring. This is Stacy Kraus.
All right, let me, Ms. Kraus, okay?
On Christopher Davis, 658982.
Okay, 658982. All right.
The state has made me an offer. I'm going to go over that and the evidence with my client and let them know if we're going to take it.
Okay. You know what, 658982? Okay, here it is. Okay, so you've got an offer. I'm going to reset that to January 13. Will that work?
Yes, Judge. Thank you very much. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too.
That's the only one you had today, right? Okay. All right. Let me see who else is back. Any, Gail Calderola?
Yes, Your Honor. I have two cases. I have Megan Wilhite. She's in custody. She has a felony pending in the 187th that has been indicted. And she has also case number, let's see, it's 671-768 in your court. And that is on page 7.
Okay, thank you. All right, and so you're wanting to just reset this, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And I'm confused. I have here that it's another attorney. Alida, did that change or not?
Your Honor, I was not able to do the change, but I just chatted with Ms. Gail Calderola as she was coming in to inform her that it was going to happen. And Mr. Jaime Aldape has not arrived yet, so I don't know if he's coming in.
Well, I have the felony appointment and I don't have the misdemeanor appointment, so.
Oh, well, maybe we should do it the other way then. You're on the felony, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I have a note here that this case doesn't have a file yet. Is that your information?
Yes, on the 671-768, it's still a no file.
Well, let's just switch it. Since she's the appointed attorney on the felony, she needs to stay, and we'll change the other matter. So
Judge, I also have Isidro Reyes, and he's set for a plea today. You ordered him last week to come back today. I don't know. I don't see him on the docket, but I can give you his case number if you want to reset another, because I do have to go back to the 379.
Okay, give me the case number again.
Okay, let me get it for you. It is 658-302 Isidro Enrique Reyes. And we had a plea worked out in that, and that's what we were supposed to do today.
All right, and so.
And he's there in person.
He is there. No, he's not here in person.
He said he was.
Isidro Reyes.
No, I haven't seen him yet this morning, Judge.
658-302. No, he hasn't come in yet. Can you give him a call?
Yeah, no, he said he was there waiting on me. Let me.
Maybe he's in the wrong courtroom, maybe.
In the courtroom, maybe.
He's not in our courtroom. I'm here today. Deputy
Six
Butler.
five eight three zero two is County Court 1.
Maybe he's in County Court 1. Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. All right.
You get a Zoom on him. Okay, I will check.
All right. So on the other one, on Megan Wilhite, basically, there's a felony pending. Did you want to confer on that today, or you just want to reset that?
Well, I'm going to reset it because I just want to see what they'll do in the felony and maybe they'll take this one into consideration, but I don't know if I'm the attorney on this one.
Well, yeah, you are.
Okay.
We saw 2 attorneys on one person's case, and it didn't indicate that anybody was appointed on the felony yet. So that's why we were doing the switch.
Okay, I have the.
It just works out better if the felony attorney is the same one on the misdemeanor. So we'll reset that for January 26th.
And if I hear anything on the felony before, then I'll try to find out and reach out to the prosecutors. I'll let the court know.
Okay, great.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Judge, may I approach when you have a moment?
Yes, sir.
I am back from conferring. They're going to take a look at a new issue on this, and I think we just need a regular reset to see what comes of it.
All right. What was the name of your client?
Mahalik,
Okay.
647-379.
Okay. We are going to reset that for 647-379. Okay, I'm on the wrong page still. We'll reset that for January 13.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
You too. Bye, everyone.
Your Honor, may I approach briefly?
Yes.
To Elizabeth Settle.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm not sure. I got in here late. I'm not sure if you've gone through all the attorneys yet. If not, I'll wait my turn.
No, that's fine. I can take you now.
Okay, thank you. I'm on page 4. It's the case number 655047, Malachi Mungia.
Okay.
He's present, Judge, and we've worked out a plea agreement. So we wanted to see if we could reset this for a plea.
Okay. I'm going to reset it for January 13. But if you have that plea paperwork done before that and you want to get it done earlier, just reach out to Aleda, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So
May we be excused?
Yes, you are. You have a great day. Thank you.
You too, Judge.
All right. Mr. Locke, did you have a chance to confer?
I did, Judge. I wanted to request another pretrial setting. The prosecutor is going to try to obtain some specific restitution, an amount that's going to aid in our plea negotiations.
All right.
So
what was the name of your client again?
I'm sorry, Andrew Michaels, 662-247.
Okay. All right, we will reset that to January 13.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Michaels and I be excused?
Yes, sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Your Honor, good morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, good morning.
Oh, Mr. Torres. Good morning, Mr. Torres.
I wanted to see if I could just confer with the state on a case, Judge.
Okay, what is the name of your client?
Gilberto Garduno Valdovinos,
Okay, do you have a cause number?
656-852.
656-852.
And he's here in my office, Judge.
Okay, great. All right, sure. I'll mark you conferring. You'll get a breakout room in a few seconds, okay?
Thanks, Judge. Can he be excused, Judge? I'm just going to get the offer and relay to him later this week.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Garduno Valdovinos, you are excused, sir, and you can log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? He is there in your office. Is that right, Mr. Torres? Yes, he is. Okay. All right, let me see. Anton Hayek?
I'm here, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's been a hectic morning. I have almost as many cases on my docket as yours. You know I'm lying, but
That's, that's a double-edged sword, right?
yeah. So I got this Marta Gone, Giselle
Okay.
Martinez.
Yeah.
She didn't show last time, so I don't think she's showing now, but I'd like to talk to the DA.
All right. We'll put you, mark you conferring.
Okay.
And so you don't have a good number for Ms. Martinez, Martha Gone?
She's homeless.
Oh,
He's
okay.
homeless. So
Okay.
no, I don't have a good number.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You'll be getting a breakout room any second. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me see. Who is next? Cole Nettles.
Hi, how are you doing this morning, Judge?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. I've got 3 clients on your docket this morning, Your Honor. The first one's going to be Terrence Flack, cause number 621743. Mr. Flack is on Zoom right now. He has a pending felony case in the 399th District Court that arises out of the same transaction. So I represent him on that. I'm just asking for a brief reset while we try to resolve the felony case.
Okay. How about January 13? Will that work?
Yes, that'll be fine, Your Honor.
Okay. And the next one?
The next one I've got, Your Honor, is Joshua Gutierrez, cause number 633836. Mr. Gutierrez is on Zoom right now. I would just need to confer with the state on this case.
Okay. I marked you conferring. And the last one you have?
Last one is Douglas Rivera. He's got 2 cases. The first one's 650366 and then 367. Mr. Rivera is currently in the Bexar County Jail being held on several felony cases that I represent him on as well. And so today I would just ask for an opportunity to confer with the state on this case.
Okay. I do see that on 650367, he has Paul Vasquez as hired. Is he only having that one case?
No, so I guess that was just one we must have missed. So Paul Vasquez used to work for Dunham & Jones as well. And I had taken over all of Mr. Rivera was being represented by Paul Vasquez here prior to Paul not working for our firm anymore.
Okay, all right. I marked you conferring on that also. So you will get a breakout room for all your cases momentarily, okay?
Great, thank you, Your Honor. And then may Mr. Gutierrez be excused, and I'll be in touch with him about a reset date.
Yes, Mr. Gutierrez, you can log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Flack, you can log off as well.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, I saw, who was it that I was gonna call next? My screen got changed around.
Bob Hicks or Mary?
Bob Hicks. Oh, Mary Petrashik. Mary Petrashik was here earlier and I called her and I think she was busy in another court. So Ms. Petrashik, are you here? Okay, well, all right, Mr. Hicks, let's try you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on Linda Fernandez. She's on page 665966.
6565966, okay?
We had reset the case for today, hoping that we could get videos from Castle Hill, the Castle Hills Police Department, and I'm overjoyed to say that they have at last arrived. However, I have not had time to review them.
Okay. All right.
So I'm
you're
going to
gonna
be
just-
requesting a reset. That's one thing. The other thing is, for some reason, I did not get an appointment on this case
Oh,
from the whoever sends them out, the appointment fairy.
well,
So I have
your
no way of contacting you.
Yeah,
If the
we-
court has any information on how to contact her, I would appreciate it if Alita would send it to me.
Yeah. Check
At
with
least the name of
Aleda.
her bondsman.
Check with Aleda and see if she has had any luck finding that. Or the other people you can check with is pretrial. They should have information. But
If she's
in the
on pretrial-
meantime, I'm going to reset that to January 13, okay?
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You have a good
May
day.
I be
Mr.
excused?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Okay. Matthew Finch?
Yes, Judge. Thank you for letting me confer with Karina. Judge, my client has been offered an opportunity to apply for a PTD on that particular case that wasn't on the docket. That's Sierra Wilson, the 671-868. If we could just get a normal reset, I think that January 13th date would be fine for me.
Great. That's what it will be, Mr. Finch. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Y'all have a good morning. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Okay. Jeff Hall?
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize. I'm logged into two different Zooms and I'm having trouble with audio going back and forth, but I'm here on Randy Rivas on page 4, 653135.
Okay. All right. And is Mr. Randy Rivas here, do you think?
I sent him the link and I see a last name of Rivas, but I'm not sure if it's the same. I
Randy
see
Rivas,
Benita
are you here,
Rivas.
sir? Can you say something, Randy Rivas?
Randy, if you're logged in, please unmute yourself.
No, if you could just give him a call and ask him to come in for a few moments so I can mark him present. Did you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
confer on this in the meantime, Mr. Hall?
Judge, yes, I think the state was going to reach out to the complaining witness. So yes, that would be good.
Okay, you'll get a breakout room in a second.
Thank you.
Thank you. Christopher Castro?
Judge, I apologize. I'm still in district court waiting a sentencing hearing. I'm here on Gilbert Paris, page 7.
Okay.
If I could have Mr. Paris excused, I can come back and confer with the state once I'm done with the sentencing hearing.
All right, Mr. Paris, are you here, sir? Yes. You are going to be excused, sir, and you can log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. All right, so Mr. Castro, I'll just mark you that you're going to return at some point.
Yes, sir. If you can just place me in the breakout room and I'll wait for the state or come out when I'm ready.
Okay, yeah, I marked you conferring, so you'll get a breakout room right now.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mary Petrashik.
Yes, Judge, my apologies. I know you called me a few times. I'm here on Miss Porsche had not, case number 436153. This is a theft by check case. I did confirm with Miss Hadnot that she has made a recent payment towards that to the check section. That is not me, Judge. I just wanted to make sure you knew that I was not making that noise.
So did you just want to reset this, Miss Petrashik?
Yes, Judge, I did.
Well, will January 13 be enough time?
Yes, Judge, I think that's a great date.
Okay, great. All right, so do you have anything else on our docket?
No, Judge, that was all I had for you today.
Okay, well, you have a wonderful day, Ms. Petrashik, and Ms. Hadnot is welcome to log off at this time also.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, let me see, who did I miss?
Douglas Capmeyer, maybe, Judge?
Oh, good morning, Mr. Capmeyer. How are you?
I'm good. I'm here with Benita Rivas. She is present, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Can you give me a cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
I found it. No, that's not the same Rivas.
I've got several with her today. I'm sorry. She has multiple cases in another court, but I should have yours on the dock on my calendar on my phone.
Yeah, I just found it, Mr. Capmeyer.
598620.
I've got 658583, so she has more than one, huh? Okay. All right, so is she present?
I saw her earlier. Miss Rivas, will you speak up?
Okay,
Yes.
Miss- Thank you, ma'am. I'm marking you present. What would you like to do on this, Mr. Katmeyer?
Confer, Your Honor. They were trying to make a global deal with County Court 7 and add the restitution to it, but it's never happened. So
Oh, okay. All right, so I'll mark you conferring. Okay, you'll get a breakout room any moment now.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Do you want me to excuse Ms. Rivas?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I approach very quickly?
Yes, Mr. Dominic.
For Mr. Jaramillo, I spoke with the state's attorney. I think we have a pretty good offer worked out. We just need to confer with my client and make sure it's okay with him and we can go from there. So can we get a brief reset on that?
Yes, sir. Give me the cause number again so I can find it on
Yes.
the docket.
Had it right. Sorry, I keep closing out the docket sheet and I had it on there.
Oh,
Apologize for that.
no, I just found it. Jaramillo, okay.
It's
You
a
just
third
want to
page.
reset for that?
Yes, it is.
13. I found it.
Okay.
Yeah. So January 13, will that work?
Yeah, that should be more than enough. January 13th, same time?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your
So-
Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. And Mr. Jaramillo is also excused. And
Thank you. You have a great day.
welcome to log off. You have a wonderful day.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Mr. Zavala, can you tell me who your attorney is, sir? County Court 9 Zavala, can you please unmute yourself? I think if he just holds the space bar down, does that work?
Yes.
Just hold the space bar down so I can hear you.
That should be how it's set up.
Should take care of it.
Hello? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Who is your attorney, sir?
It was Michael Blandisick, but I ain't talked to him at all. Just one
Okay,
time.
well, all right, so we'll wait for him. He's in another court.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay with you to wait?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, you're welcome to wait. Just wanted to check. All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
648-839.
648-839?
John Saldaña.
Uh-huh. Okay, great.
It says it's online.
Yeah. I have a note here that it's a no file. Well, yeah, Aleda, can you check? Yeah, he's got the other one that's apparently good. Yeah.
What case, Your Honor?
It was, I was looking at 648-839, also at 65, where did I find it?
Bottom of page 4.
Okay. 655357. Apparently, one of them has no file.
Yeah,
This
that's
is the
correct.
Lawyer on both cases, so he's
Yes.
gonna wait. Yeah. Okay.
657-291.
Another one?
Middle page 5.
Okay. Great, thanks.
One felony, looks like 175.
Yeah.
Oh.
Even on the first one, 648-839.
What's some other information?
Okay. The felony?
The 64.
Yeah. Okay. Jacob Noor, can you unmute yourself, please? Tell me that again.
630768.
Okay.
That's
you.
the better counsel.
Yes. Mr. Jacob Noor, please unmute yourself. I guess I have to. Something.
Mr. Norton, Judge.
You're on.
All right, Mr. Noor, your attorney is still in another court. Do you need to get to work? I can excuse you and I'll just document that you are here. You are welcome to wait, whichever you want to do. Jacob Noor? Can you hear me? Yeah. Move on to something else. Martin Rodriguez, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your lawyer?
I'm with the Calvas Law Group.
Okay, I think he wanted you to wait. I was going to ask if you wanted to wait, but I
You got
think he asked if you wait. All right.
You're logged on and we're waiting for them.
Thank you, sir. There's someone listed as iPhone. Can you unmute yourself, please, and identify yourself?
Is that me?
No.
Oh. Is it me?
It might be me, Judge Jesus Estrada.
No.
Crystal Mario?
No.
Judge, this is a court reporter, Yvette Mendez. I know Aleda had a hard time finding me, so I'm on iPhone.
Oh, okay. No, I can see a gentleman and it says iPhone. And I just, I'm asking. Oh, there you go. What is your name, sir?
Juan Hernandez.
Juan Hernandez. ¿Quién es su abogado?
It's Jonathan Chavez.
Okay. Okay. Entonces, nada más quería saber si puede esperar un ratito más, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Okay, gracias. Okay. All right. Now, Fortune 3, can you please unmute yourself?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can hear you. Yes, ma'am. What is your name, please?
My name is Jeanette Sue Savage.
Okay. Let me see if I can find your name. Who is your lawyer?
I don't have one. This is the first time I've been to court.
Oh, okay. Well, let me find you then. It's important. You do not have an attorney. I can give you time to hire one. I can reset this matter so you can come back with an attorney. Or if you want to be interviewed to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, we can do that now too.
Yes, ma'am. I would like a court-appointed attorney, please.
All right. Let me just make sure I find you on my docket. The last name is Savage, S-A-V-A-G-E.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're Jeanette, right?
Unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
To mute it because it's
Okay,
on still.
great. All right, I'm going to ask
How do you mute
you're
it?
going to get a prompt to go to a breakout room. So you can speak to our court coordinator. She's going to give you information about how and if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, do you have a case number, ma'am?
Yes, 665213.
Okay, I thank you so much, Your Honor, and have a great day.
I'm sorry, tell me that again.
I said thank you so much, Your Honor, and have a great day.
All right, thank you. So when you see that little prompt on your screen, join breakout room, whatever number it is, click on that and wait in that room for Ms. Castillo. She will join you. She is very busy right now, but she will make the time to come and talk to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, so Benita Rivas, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
Okay, I know I heard your name already. Who is your lawyer?
Douglas Catmeyer?
Okay, I think he is conferring.
Yes.
Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure we didn't overlook anybody. All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Magdalena's iPhone, can you please unmute yourself and tell me your name?
Yes, ma'am. Crystal Nazario?
Crystal Nazario is,
Steve Gilmore?
Mr. Gilmore is your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Bottom of page 1.
thank you. Okay, so Mr. Nazario Valdez, Mr. Gilmore is still in another court. We're waiting for him, but I'm going to give you a choice. If you have to get to work or do something else, I can excuse you and I can just let him know that you were here. Or you're welcome to wait, whichever you want to do.
Okay, I have work at 3. I don't know what time it is right now. I feel like I should be okay, but I do leave my house by 2:30 to get there before traffic by 3. Do you think I would have enough time by then?
Oh, yeah. It's just now a little past 11:15, so we're
Okay,
good.
yeah, I'll just wait. I have no problem waiting.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Of course. Do I mute myself now?
You can mute yourself. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, Priscilla Campa,
Yes, I'm here.
good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm great. How are you?
Good, I'm good. And you're waiting for your lawyer, Paul Smith, right?
Yes.
I may have a little problem. Did you happen to miss a court date recently?
Yeah. Not recently, but I did get incarcerated. I had a warrant out for missing one of them. It popped out of nowhere. I didn't know, but I did come to a court 3 days after for my 3 felonies. And I didn't even know at that point I had a warrant. But this case here, I was hoping I could just bring my prescription and like have it the case wiped out, but we keep resetting it. I don't know why.
Well, basically, you have a lawyer. He's a good lawyer.
Mhm.
So you just need to share all that with him so he can know what the best thing is to do. And
Okay.
he will give you some options and then you decide, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
So, but we are still waiting for him. Do you need to I just wanted to make sure you didn't have any outstanding warrants. That's the reason I was asking about that.
Oh, no, I shouldn't.
All right, so you're welcome to wait for Mr. Smith. Or
Okay.
if you need to go someplace, I can excuse you and I'll just document that you were here.
Yeah, I do have to get to work at
Okay.
12:30.
All right. Well, it's 11:20 according to the clock on the wall.
Mhm.
I can excuse you now if you need to get everything together so you can leave.
Yes, please.
All right, Ms. Campa, you have a good day. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
I will. You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Yes, you.
Thank
please.
you.
Bye-bye. Um,
Jeremy Whitlock, an attorney.
Say that again?
Jeremy Whitlock, I haven't heard his name before.
Yeah. Jeremy Whitlock?
Can you unmute this? I'm already on.
Yes, you're
Oh,
fine. I can hear you.
yes, Your Honor.
Your attorney's name?
This is David Garcia, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me just find it so I can make sure that we mark you present. The lawyers are very busy these days. They try to be in, 2 or 3 courts to take care of all their cases. So I'm going to mark you present, sir. And if you need to go to work or you need to do something, I can excuse you. And I will indicate to your lawyer when he gets here that I have excused you at 11:20, if that's what you
Okay,
desire.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, sir. You have a good day. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Say that again.
Jeff Hall?
Jeff Hall's back. Okay. Mr. Hall, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. I think that the state is still attempting to get in contact with the complainant. And I spoke with my client, and I'm trying to look for him. I think he's attempting to log on. I apologize to Judge. I think he has some trouble with
Okay.
electronics.
Well, I mean, as long as he was trying to log on, we can't hold it against him that he couldn't succeed. All right, give me that cause number again, please.
Yes, Your Honor. It is. It is. Sorry, I had it up here.
Page 4? Okay.
65314.
Okay, we got it, Mr. Hall. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, 653135?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you had a chance to confer on Mr. Rivas, Randy Rivas, is he here? No. Okay, well, just make sure he knows that it's important to be in court when he's got his setting. We'll reset that to January 13. Will that work for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Hall.
Okay,
And-
thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Jesse Rivera, good morning. How are you doing?
Hi, good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. So you're here on, I'm sorry? Who are you here on, Mr. Rivera?
Judge, I'm here on Jacob Knorr, Knorr. I think he's on the last page of the docket.
Right, and I did just excuse him so he could go to work.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
That you all are.
I'm
very
actually right
busy,
here.
And you have to be in several courts at once, so. he
Yes, ma'am.
understood.
So I just need to visit with the prosecution, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll mark you conferring. You'll get a breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can I be excused?
Mr. Hernandez?
Yes.
Sir, I think your attorney is here.
Okay.
Someone from that office, but yes, I can excuse you at this time.
Okay,
Your Honor?
appreciate that.
Yes.
Mr. Steve Gilmore just texted me right now and said that he emailed the coordinator to ask if I could get rescheduled.
Okay, all right. We will reset that for January 13.
Do I let him know?
Yes, but he will need to contact the court also so that we can. get
Okay.
it. Okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am. May I be excused?
Yes, Miss Nazario, you're welcome to leave at this time. You take care. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. You too. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
So I'm excused, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to excuse you at 11:25, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. Have a great
Stay in
day.
touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Joe and George, good morning.
Morning, Judge. I have Ricardo Estrada.
Okay, he is here, I think. I saw him a minute
It's
ago.
656635,
656.
top of page 5.
Okay.
What are you two giving?
635, okay. And what do you want to do on this, Mr. George? Do you need to
Would you confer, please?
All right. I'm marking you conferring. You will get that prompt any second. Okay,
You did.
thank you. Do you want me to excuse Mr. Estrada?
Yes, just
Okay. Mr. Ricardo Estrada? I thought I
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
you a minute ago. Yes, sir. Your attorney's going to confer with the state, but you are excused at this time. You can log off and just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
just give me a call, Mr. Estrada.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, this is Doug Campbell. I was waiting for the prosecutor and I got kicked out
Oh.
and I
let's
come
go
back in.
Okay, absolutely. I'm not sure you should go back to the same room because we don't want you to be out of line. So we will put you in another breakout room. So you'll be next or close to next, okay?
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. Paul Smith, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I apologize for being late. I had a doctor's appointment this morning at 10. I have a Patricia Campa on the Zoom docket today. I'm sorry, I cannot open the attachment to tell you what page she is on.
Okay, well, I'll find it. Let me see. Actually, I think I just excused her.
Okay.
So she could go on to work.
Yes, she has felonies pending, I believe. I'm not the felony attorney. And
okay. Did you find it?
Yes, 625-089.
625-089. 625. Yes. Yeah, I excused her at 11:20, so she does have felony pending, so we will reset this to January 26th, but did you want to confer since you are here?
yes, if possible.
Sure. Okay, but you can just leave from the breakout room since I already gave you your reset date, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Jeffrey Hull's client showed up, Judge.
Okay, where is,
Randy Rivas,
what is the name?
Randy Rivas, 653-135.
653-135.
Reset of January 13th.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. He has marked present. Thank you.
Said he was having trouble logging on, but he's finally here, Mr. Rivas.
Okay, Mr. Rivas. Sir, I've marked you present, sir, and you are welcome to log off. Thank you, sir. You have a good day. You are muted still. Can you unmute yourself? All right, Mr. Nettles, do you have an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. Conferred with Mr. Bosis for the state. They have made an offer on Joshua Gutierrez, cause number 633836. I think he's likely going to accept this offer, but I am asking for a brief reset to go over this with him and as well as the discovery in his case.
Okay, we'll come back January 13 on that or sooner, whenever you have the paperwork ready.
Okay, that'll be fine. And then additionally, Your Honor, Douglas Rivera, because he does have the felony cases, Mr. Bosis is rather limited in what he can do with these cases. So we're just asking that the misdemeanor cases be reset. I have a court date tomorrow morning in the 379th District Court for Mr. Rivera regarding these felony cases. And but in the meantime, I guess, Your Honor, we're just asking that the misdemeanor cases be reset.
So we reset it to January 26, 60 days?
Yes, that'll be fine, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. And did you have another one?
Nope, that's going to be it for me, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you are excused, Mr. Nettles, and so are your clients. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Rivera, I'll talk with you more tomorrow morning. Thank you. Have a good rest of your morning, Judge.
Thank you, you too. Lisa Voigt, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I apologize. It's been a really bad day.
Oh, I understand.
7 hearings and trying to find clients that don't respond and still chasing them down. But anyway, I'm here for Mr. Benito Gomez. It's on page 3. I think it's line 3. It's an MTR. And I'm having trouble locating him as well.
Oh, no. Okay.
I talked to pretrial about him yesterday, and they, at some point, they've had contact with him, but the number they gave me, he's not responding to.
Well, I mean, I could just go ahead and do a bond forfeiture, but whatever you want to do.
I think that's best, Your Honor. They have a lot of concerns. His family has concerns about his safety right now.
Okay,
How he's on the street, not doing well.
yeah, okay, it's for his good. Okay, we will do that. It'll take 7 days before it goes out. So if for some miracle he contacts you, let us know.
All right, thank you. I'll continue trying to find him through his family.
All right. Do you have anything
Thank you.
else on our docket?
No, Your Honor, that's it. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you, you too.
Jesus Estrada, can you unmute yourself, please? There will be a little microphone icon. It's looks like an old-fashioned microphone. If you click on that, there you go.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Um,
So I see you set for a plea today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Brown is still in another court.
Okay.
But we're willing to wait if you are too.
Is there any way I can be excused, Judge? Because I have a social, I'm trying to get on Social Security, and my Social Security lawyer had just contacted me, but I couldn't answer because I was on the Zoom call.
All right, yes, sir. I will excuse you, and then your lawyer and you can decide when you want to come back and do that plea, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, sir, you are excused, and I'm
Yep.
going to document at 11:32, okay?
All right, you have a great day, Judge.
Thank you. Stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Valdez, good morning.
Morning, Judge. Greetings from Hondo.
Oh, yes?
I talked to a young man by the name of Humberto Saldaña. I don't know if you know him.
Sounds vaguely familiar.
Yes.
How is he doing? Is he treating you okay?
Oh, yeah, he's fine. We had a good talk. He looks like he's enjoying himself.
So who are you here on today?
I am here on Richard Heyman.
Oh, right, okay. He was here earlier.
Yes.
Do you also, I don't know why I had the impression that somebody else was representing him.
Well,
What were we gonna do on his case today?
we had it set for a motion to suppress. I understand from my notes that I had reached out to Mr. Christian. They were going to look at a pretrial diversion, but I haven't heard back from them.
Yeah. So I'm looking at my notes, and Mr. Ernest Acevedo was hired on his case also.
Oh, he was?
Did you know
When?
that? Antonio Harmon, or is that a different?
No,
Harmon?
this is Richard Heyman,
Oh, Heyman. Okay, let me see.
658-630.
58630. Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, no, Richardo Heyman. No,
That's the motion is set at 1:30.
Yes, it's set at 1:30. Is Mr. Heyman here?
He's supposed to be.
You know, I don't know why I have the feeling he was here earlier. Can you give him a call or so we can send him the invite again?
Yes,
right.
my staff is working on it as we speak.
So in the meantime, did you want to
Confer with the
this-
state? Yes.
Okay. Mark, you conferring, you'll get a breakout room in a second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I just logged in.
Who's that?
This is
Oh,
Jaime Aldape.
Yes, sir. Good morning. How are you today?
Good to see you, Judge.
Good to see you.
I have Megan Wilhite, and she's in custody, but she has another attorney for a pending second-degree felony.
Right.
So I just wanted to get this case reset because it appears that she picked up this misdemeanor, but then she picked up a burglary of a habitation by force. And Gail Calderola is the attorney on that one, Judge.
Right. So we had originally thought that we didn't know that there was a felony attorney on it. So when Ms. Calderola came, she said she was representing her on the felony and another one of these. So we had thought that we would appoint you on both of these misdemeanors, and then we'd give her something else. But since she is a felony attorney, we figured, no, let her have this one and we'll give you something else.
No opposition, just that way she can do them all at once. That's
Right.
fine.
Yeah, it just seems like it's more effective, and that way it seems like it makes more sense. So Ms. Castillo will be contacting you and giving you a replacement for this one.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. You have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Take care.
You too.
Yeah, approach Judge.
Yes, sir.
So on Ricky Estrada, it's the top page 5656635. There's gonna be a plea. If you could reset it for, I guess, right after Thanksgiving.
Okay. All right. I'm still not finding it. 653 what?
656.
656. 635. Okay, 656. Okay. So basically, it's going to be a plea, and I'm just going to reset this to January 13, and you can decide what time when you want to come in and do that. I did excuse Mr. Estrada, and I think he had something he needed to be at. So
Yes, I just spoke with him.
just stay in touch with you.
Will do.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. George.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Mr. Kapmeyer?
Yes, Your Honor. We're still trying to work out details from County Court 7. They can't reach the victims, and the victims need to call. It's part of a global deal on both courts. So with your permission, I'd like to get that January setting.
Okay. And that is is that on Benita Rivas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. January 13, okay?
Miss Rivas, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you got that?
Yes.
So you're welcome to log off at this time, Ms. Rivas.
Thank you
need to
so
be back
much.
January 13, okay?
January 13th?
Yes. 13.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Kapmeyer. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Ready for that coffee?
Sorry, then?
Ready for that coffee?
Oh, are you going to get one?
I'll go get some. Yeah, I was gonna get refill. I'll get you some while I'm there.
I just need a tiny one.
I'll get you small.
Okay, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Are we excused, Judge?
Yes, sure.
I'm retarded.
Okay, so I guess Mr. Valichek had to go someplace. I don't see him conferring. Did he not come in?
Okay, there you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
A Brandon Calloway here? Is Brandon Calloway? Okay. Yes, Mr. Castro.
Yes, Judge. Again, I apologize. I'm still in the middle of a plea, but conferred with the state. They're going to go ahead and recommend my client for PTD. I asked for just a 30-day, 60-day reset.
All right, January 13, okay?
All right, thank you very much, Judge. Maybe
Thank you, sir.
excuse.
You have a great day. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Mr. Correa is welcome to leave at this time if he's here.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
I leave usually either when I take my boost bar or when I sometimes when I close my eyes. Just looking at, you know what? It's probably whenever I take my boost bar. No, when I close my eyes, not when I, yeah.
Aleda?
Sorry, did you call, Judge?
Yeah, Ms. Savage is still in room 1. She needed to be interviewed.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I'll get on it right away.
Thank you.
Yes, so you're okay. Oh, think about what I'm gonna do. I do have nightmares, but it's not about past events in my life. I usually see future events. I usually have premonitions. No information. I guess I'm okay. I know, I graduated high school in 2005, a year early, and I went to college. I know my mom and dad split up when I was 2 or 3, and I moved to born in Houston. My mom moved to San Antonio, and my sister. I get it. Probably that don't mean basically I couldn't ask. I think it was my sister. One, my younger sister is Erica, and my little brother is Chris. Not really sure. No, one other brother. My sister is a baby. 4 years younger than me, I think. Not really sure. I'm not ready. So sometimes I don't know when I'm late. I sleep. I know, I don't know. I just skateboarding. Recreation usage, so I don't like it. When I was recreational, basically. What do you mean I showed that when I was a baby or? 8 years. I had one person that I did associate with. I was we had an altercation where I need to be in her order. Never came back. Public school. 14C.
I'm done.
Yes, sir. Oh, B. B.
Okay.
I come back for the money. No, I talked to my oh, okay. My older cousin. That's wrong. I talked to my aunt. Wrong. You're good. You're good too.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My girl cousins. What do you want, what do you think? And you can bring them down or with them? Three, four. I'm telling you, everything I did, well, you can talk to him on Facebook. Yes, ma'am. We talk on Facebook. I want to meet my friends that I can sell. I'm tired of my friends that I got kids, I know I'm real close to them. This is what you think is as soon as possible. That you don't do it that way. That is a few problems. They're trying to scare me, as I said, I'm gone. Get out of here. I'm going back to California. No. Yeah. That's what they're trying to use the background as a, trying to get my federal rights to enhance the act. Rest of that. Yeah. I blacked out, I'm not sure. I know what I was trying to do.
Seven deadly sins in my drawer over here.
Oh, yeah, I did mute mine.
Yeah, I just thought I'm not worried about because it never happened. What's getting me, no, not really, it wasn't. Well, what's getting me was the fed pressure on the fire. It wasn't. State board trouble, that's still what was, getting me. I never asked him for, I wanted the money back, and all he kept saying was, well, we're gonna call it a drug. It's not like a drug. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a drug. I'm not gonna hurt a person. Yeah. I believe it's not a drug.
Yeah, you can hear me? Yeah, I can hear you.
He was basically recreational use. He was basically.
Okay, yeah, don't come up with it.
They got it. He didn't.
Is it getting cold in here? Is it getting cold in here?
It was warm this morning. Yeah, I'm part penguin, so I like it cold.
I never really called by it. Had to go to the feds.
There we go.
Polar bear, but I'm not that tall.
Had to do it.
Probably with penguin, emperor penguin, but still penguin.
All we can do.
Okay, I had a question.
We finished by noon, right?
Just in general, nothing specific, I just want to know, I've been there, I can have it, I want to see if I can.
Oh, are we?
For lunch, for
Okay.
I've noticed it's a bag of I think credentials right there outside your office, a big bag of Crystal Bacon Company or something like that, with Hawaiian rolls in it. You haven't been to the office?
I went to
You wouldn't know.
Is it in my office?
No, I thought I did.
I didn't see it. But it doesn't.
Yeah, they're, resending. Okay.
Like it was just, I ran over the teacher along the elevator. We got all kinds of
Oh, wow. Okay.
blood sugar raising stuff going on over there.
It is high?
He said, just right at the top of the scale. High. Everything else is like, I got the blood work of a 30-year-old.
It's always nice to hear. You can't beat that.
Natural causes, that's for sure. Well, that's good. Someone has to take you out.
No, I mean, day before I got elected.
Really awful. That's hard.
Or just calm down.
That's hot. In the jail, not knowing what's going on around you all the time.
Spider fly.
Right. Heads on a swivel, man. Use them reflections.
You can buy, you can buy
I have my back to the unit that I use reflections.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say nothing unless it's one of my 3 pet peeves. They never change. Yeah. That's why they said I was the real a-hole, but I was fair to everybody because I didn't bend my rules for nobody.
Yeah. And
They
they
said
knew
I was
what
the
to
best
expect.
officer they had. So they knew what my pet peeves were and they didn't break them when I was in the unit.
Yeah. When everybody's on the same page, it's a good thing.
Yeah, because officers change their script every day. It's like, then you gotta guess it and they're gonna be mad. Keep steady keel, man.
So this guy didn't come in. Eduardo Arroyo.
I guess so. Saying every time I get it or every day, are you trying to say now do it every day? I'm taking my medication. You know, I wasn't doing it every day, I just do it all the time, special occasions. It helps me wrap a lot, it helps me concentrate, it stimulates my mind, it helps me concentrate, I can wrap really fast. That keeps me waking up. No. I've done shooting before when I was a kid. I had a bad eye, I was looking at, I got nervous and I was at my neighbor's house. I don't get it. No.
Your Honor, may I approach about something? Judge, can you hear me?
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Bosis, yes.
Your mic's muted, Judge.
I can hear you now, Your Honor. So I just conferred with Mr. Valdez. We have a motion to suppress set for 1:30 this afternoon. However, I've had difficulty getting confirmation from the officers because they've been out the past couple days, and apparently because of that, they haven't received their regular notice through their email. And he, as I understand it, Mr. Valdez has no opposition to a reset, so we would request
That's correct, John.
Okay.
a reset from the court.
All right, let me go ahead and make a notation here. Shall we just reset it like, do you want a short reset or is a month okay?
A month is fine.
A month is fine? All right, let's say then January 13th.
January 13th.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
We'll all be on the same page. Okay.
Thank you.
So,
Appreciate it.
I don't know, Mr. Heyman,
Judge, he was there earlier, I understand, but
I saw him.
I'm trying to see what happened.
Yeah.
I'll get him to get back with the court.
No, that's okay. I did see him, so I can mark him present. That's not a problem. I just was concerned that we were gonna try to go forward with this and he wasn't here. So it
Mhm.
worked out.
All right.
So, okay. All right. So thank you very much, Mr. Valdez. So we'll see you all back on January 13 on that MTS, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a good
You have a
day.
great
Bye.
day. Have a
Thank you,
happy
Mr. Moses.
Thanksgiving if I don't see you before.
Yes.
Thank you,
Same
sir.
to you. Uh-huh.
Here.
Your Honor, Mike Collins, may I make an announcement?
Yes, Mr. Collins.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry, I've been stuck in other courts. Just been a heck of a day. I still got a plea waiting for me in County Court 5. I've got Enrique Garza on page 4 of your docket, Your Honor.
All right.
And I
Okay.
just, I would probably need to just confer briefly.
Okay. All right. I'll mark you conferring and I'll give you a reset for now, January 13, and then you can just leave from there. Okay.
Thanks, Your Honor. Yeah, because I had sifted through about 5 videos on this case, so it took me a while.
Okay. All right. So January 13.
January 13. Thanks, Your Honor.
Room just any second now.
Okay.
Thank you. So Mr. Valachek left the breakout room, I guess. He didn't come back to the court because I don't have an announcement from him.
Yeah, Michael Velishek should be on his way.
Oh, he's on his way back? Okay. Because Mr. Zavala is still here.
It looks like he's coming in now, Your Honor.
Oh, okay, great.
The person logged in as me. Galaxy, what is your name? We just logged in.
King's Galaxy A12, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what is your name, please?
Miranda Thomas.
Oh, okay. Your attorney was here earlier. Let me see if I can find your case.
I've been trying to get a hold of my attorney and haven't been able to get a hold of her.
Yeah, I think, I want to say your attorney appeared. Let's see if I can find that. Do you happen to know cause number on your case? If you don't, that's okay, I'll find it.
I don't. Off the top of my head.
Thomas is the last name.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is, Miranda Thomas. Oh, yes, Sue Noble was here. I don't know what she thought. She said that you always spoke Spanish. I think she's going to need to give you another attorney because Ms. Noble was confused about that. At any rate, I'm glad you came in. I'm going to mark you present. And at this time, we're going to give you another lawyer. And they'll be in touch with you within, I believe, 48 hours.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you to go to a breakout room to make sure that we have the correct information. So when we send you that information, it won't go to somebody else. Okay, so Ms. Castillo is going to talk to you. You're going to get a little prompt that says join breakout room 1 or 2 or something like that. Just click on that and she will talk to you and ask you any questions we need to ask so that we're
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
all right. And then you can leave from there. You'll see at the bottom, it says leave room and then it'll say leave breakout room. But I did reset this to January 13, okay?
All right. Thank you.
That you come back for court. Okay, Ms. Thomas, thank you, ma'am. Okay, Mr. Malachek is here, but Mr. Malachek, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Elena told me I have Mr. Zavala in your court today. I was
Yeah. I
Um,
marked you as coming in earlier. I don't know why.
I'm here, man. I'm here.
Oh, okay. It was confusing. I have invites from the court for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, apparently.
Okay. Yeah, I thought you had more than one too.
Yes, and I've had 3 courts this morning, I have 2 more this afternoon. But anyway, sure, if I could confer with the state on him.
Okay. Yes, sir. You'll get a breakout room any second now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Butler, good morning. How are you?
Doing well, Judge. Yourself?
I'm pretty good, I think.
I'm appearing for Neil Kalfas on Martin Rodriguez.
Okay. He is here. Okay, so would you like to confer with the state?
Yes, Judge, that would be great.
All right, I'm marking you conferring. You'll get a breakout room assignment any moment now. And you can go ahead and confer with the state then, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
So thank you. Oh, there's another case for Neil Kalpas, Juan Hernandez. Yeah. Let me see if I can send a chat. He's in room 4.
Put your headset on.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so you accidentally hit the power cord. No, so the already, the power push answer.
Can I chat with him in there? What did I just do? I think I just maybe.
I haven't wanted to get my own stuff out of it. Simple as that.
I hit something that made his room go away. See, room 4.
A lot of times I have to notify the dog on bank and I'm seeing something in computers with their county trust funds.
And he's not up here. All right, let me see. Mr. Butler? Mr. Butler? Can you hear me? Okay, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna unmute myself, see what happens. Mr. Butler, can you hear me? Oh, I don't know what I did.
Mike should work whether or not you're.
Oh, there. There. Okay, Mr. Butler, can you hear me? No, still can't. Can you hear me now? Mr. Butler? No. I just did that a minute ago too.
In other words, he got stabbed in his neck because.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Mr. Butler? No.
Okay,
Can you hear me now?
I got stabbed in his neck. Yes, ma'am.
It's feedback.
Yes, ma'am. No reason it shouldn't be.
Mr. Butler, can you hear me? No.
And there's no reason it shouldn't.
be able to not hear you. Let me see. If you move it over here.
Mr. Butler, can you hear me? No? No luck.
Have them come out of the break room.
Okay. Would you, well, how do I tell him? How do I take him out? Just go to participants and have him.
I can hear the judge.
Can you do it, please? Well, basically, I just wanted to tell him that Mr. Kalfas also has Juan Hernandez, 648941. So if you just tell him that, Aleda. So he's going to confer on one of Mr. Kalfas's cases, and he actually has two. Okay. Now I'm going to leave. Leave room. All right. Okay. Mr. Collins, did you have a chance to confer?
I did, Your Honor. I have a extremely reasonable offer from Brett. Excuse me. But I also have County Court 5 waiting for me to do a plea, which
So, I'll go ahead and reset you for January 13. I think I already told you that, right?
Yes,
So,
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
You're
But I think we'll wrap it up on that day.
yeah, and I think that I had already excused your client.
Absolutely, Your Honor. Question, Your Honor, if I get him to agree to this offer that I have, can I come in earlier?
Oh, yes. Just as soon as you have the paperwork ready, just let Aleda know. We'll bring you in the same day.
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you so much for your patience. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Collins. You have a great day.
Okay, see you soon, Your Honor.
All righty. Bye.
Thanks, Brett.
Mr. Belichick, yes, sir.
Judge, my client has a felony pending, unindicted, that's not related to the 3 cases here, but I'd like to reset it because of the felony pending and see what happens with that. And if I could talk to him in a breakout room, that would be good, because then I can explain a few things to him before we're excused.
Yeah, we'll reset it to January 26th, which is 60 days. And we
26th?
Yeah,
Okay.
26. And then if you'll go back to that breakout room, we'll put Mr. Zavala in there with you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
And then you all are welcome to leave from there, Mr. Belichick. You don't have to.
Great. Thanks for your courtesies, Judge.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Bye.
So I inadvertently.
Yeah, I think Mr. Butler's waiting for one of the ADAs.
Oh, yeah, Ms. Sanchez, or Mr. Boses, can you all talk to Mr. Butler? What room was he in, Aleda? I forgot.
Ms. Sanchez went in already.
Okay, great, thanks.
Room 4.
Okay, good. Amanda Hernandez, good morning.
Hi, good morning. I'm so sorry. I already appeared this morning, but Don Flannery just got a link for him to join. But it should be on the same case that I appeared for Mr. Eduardo Sanchez Ayojo.
Okay, let me find that again. What cause number was that?
666041. I think he was on page 6. And you gave us a reset to January so we could get the breath discovery.
Okay, 666041. Okay, yes, that was reset to January 13. And I
Yes,
did
ma'am.
mark-
Yeah, it has Don Flannery's name on there, but I'm his co-counsel, so it's the same case.
Right, I had written your name here.
Okay,
over here.
perfect. Okay, just
So,
wanted to make sure we were checked in. Thank you so much.
thank you very much. You have a great afternoon. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. I wonder if Mr. Hayek left without telling me after he conferred. Yeah, he left.
Yeah, Judge, it looks like he's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, sure does. Okay. You know what? I think I remember him coming back though. And I remember talking to him. Why didn't I write it down? Let me see what I did. I have, oh yeah, I marked him conferring. That's what happened.
Oh. This is the one we were just talking about. That's
Oh.
the gentleman that was in jail, Mr. Sanchez.
Oh,
Or Miss
Martinez
Martinez was just talking about. Yes, ma'am.
Marcavon.
Did you reset January 13th?
Oh,
Had Donald Flannery?
yeah. So that's the one he was on?
No, it was Amanda Hernandez,
And, oh yeah, that was Amanda Hernandez, yeah.
co-counsel.
Oh, yeah, okay. And that's what she said, Eduardo Arroyo. So, yeah, there it is, Arroyo Sanchez. Okay, so, what did I do about this? I said nothing. I guess I will. When did I get this? November 16. Oh, they just came in today.
Yeah, that's what Kristen handed you earlier.
Well, I'm
You
just
asked me
gonna
about.
sign.
I just picked it up. I'm like, she just came in here for this guy.
Let me go ahead and continue with ignition interlock, I guess. Yeah, because it's an enhanced one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. My son's been locked out for 4 months already.
What?
My son's been locked in jail for 4 months already. And I tried to reach his attorney and send him a letter, a registered letter for this one, but he don't respond. And right now my son is very sick in jail. And I need to know where to go from here.
One thing I can tell you is, who's his lawyer?
David Garcia. I've been calling him yesterday. I called him. I told him this is the last call on the.
You have a case number for your son?
They didn't give me, I don't know, because that's wrong.
Mr. Belichick is still conferring and Ms. Sanchez is conferring with Mr. Butler.
You
Okay.
have 2 misdemeanors.
Well, this shows that this is a felony.
Oh, okay. I got the wrong paper there.
This-
He has 2 misdemeanors and one for the gun, but the gun is hers, he said. He needs to get her gun back.
So that you would have to go to the attorney to get all that paperwork in the original court that set this out.
Okay. They told me with Gloria. Saldaña. Okay.
Without going through the attorney and the attorney filing the proper paperwork, the judge really can't do much.
Okay, so I
Let me walk you around to our
Good morning, Mr. Simpkins. How are you? Uh-oh. Not quite connected.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you today?
I'm doing all right. I'm popping in for Stephen Gilmore on cause number 610631.
All right.
Just need to get a reset. Mr. Gilmore is actually out in the middle of a capital murder trial in San Patricio County.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
if I
he,
do January 13, will that be good enough? Or
yes, ma'am.
okay, let's do that. Well, my goodness, that's certainly a good reason not to be able to be here.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I did excuse Crystal Nazario Valdez at 11:25. And I explained that everyone's very busy right now, so we were going to wait for Mr. Gilmore to come
Okay.
to. So he certainly has a good excuse.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much for doing this. Appreciate it. And,
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
yes, sir. You take care. Have a great
Thank
afternoon.
you. You too.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, Mr. Butler. Yes, sir.
Judge, I have conferred with the state. The state is going to submit a dismissal on Juan Hernandez.
Okay.
And then for Mr. Martin Rodriguez Jr., if we can reset another pretrial. The state has given us the wrong discovery. It's for a different individual. And so they're going to check into getting us the correct discovery uploaded.
Right. If I reset it to January 13, will that be acceptable?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, well, that is what it will be. So, Mr. Rodriguez, sir, you heard what's going on, and we're just going to need for you to come back January 13, okay? All right, sir. And so at this time, you're excused and you're welcome to log off. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. Take care. Thank you very much, Mr. Butler. Appreciate it.
Yes, good to see you, Judge. Thank you.
See you. You take care.
Bye-bye.
And if I don't see you before, happy Thanksgiving.
You as well.
Okay. All right. Mr. Richardson, are you at the courthouse?
No, Your Honor. So I totally forgot I'd had a work order coming in to get more lighting around, my apartment for the time being,
Well,
for obvious reasons.
yeah, right. So the only thing is that I talked to Judge Boyd last night, and I had forgotten that we are celebrating Thanksgiving in her court today. So if you find it, possible, come down and enjoy the fixins in the.
Oh, okay, awesome. What is that going to be like right after the docket?
Right. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
I think we probably started at 12, but we're still here. so
Okay.
we won't be very late because we're all in the same boat.
No problem. Yeah, I was planning on heading down there, and then they called me this morning.
Okay,
I wanted to get the lighting situation taken care of, but yeah, let me try and
Okay, cool.
I'll try and head down there.
So I think we probably are, looks like we might be done. Mr. Zavala, I guess he's gone. He's in room 1. So we need to get Mr. Zavala out of room 1 so he can go back. Aleda, please. Okay, and I think that takes care of everything. So Mr. Boses and Ms. Sanchez, I have to apologize because I totally forgot till Judge Boyd told me last night that we're celebrating Thanksgiving in the 187th. So I hope that you all can come and join. all the fixings. We brought a ham.
Oh, wow.
So I hope you have an appetite and can come and enjoy.
Okay. I think our office is also having like some Thanksgiving food today. So
Oh, well.
maybe I'll
good.
just eat double helpings.
That's a great.
We don't need this in YouTube, but
Oh, thank you. I forgot about the YouTube, don't I? So, yeah.